welcome back to my side. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Big up your nice clean self. If this is your first time watching a video from me, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe, go ahead and like, drop a comment, let me know what you think, let me know what's happening with you. If this is not your first time, welcome back to the channel. You don't know what it is about. Thank you so much for keeping your subscription here. Now oh my god, you know what, I love doing YouTube. I do, because I don't play a lot, and it definitely gives me the opportunity to play and bring out a fun side of myself. So I really love YouTube, and I love that part of me is appreciated on here. So with that being said, now it was sweetie, I'm sorry. Yeah guys, prank war up hot and hype. So I've got a prank for you guys now. It's wash day for DJ. Usually on wash day he is very invested in doing laundry, like it is anyway. So him there on him room, him a wash in the machine, and him a vibe with him whole music thing, and I'm just here like yes. So I'm gonna do like a pass out prank on him. I did this prank on Sean, but I did it with blood on Sean. I'm not about that life anymore. So no, but just like a pass out and really get him. Yeah. Me I go do it outside on the me go do it outside on the veranda. So it's like I go lick up myself in the veranda, make a girl shake, reload, make him ear, and then drop a gun blap, pass out. I said blap. Yeah. Drop a gun blap and pass out. And get his natural reaction. Guys, me excited. Me always hype up and excited about these pranks, right? Yeah. So if you want to see the ride, go ahead and like it, as I say. Go ahead and give a thumbs up to the video. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go, right? Let's go. Yeah guys, so just before we go, remember to also go over to Sways Kid on YouTube. He make killer music. So if he's a gangster guy and you like the gangster guy songs, if he's a gangster girl and you like the gangster girl songs, whatever your taste is, make sure you can find some over there if you like, you know. So go over to Sways Kid on YouTube, give a like, listen to the music, share it of course, and you know, make the thing grow. Let's go. Alright guys, alright, so like I said, it is laundry day for DJ. Cool. So I'm a wash and I'm pin out in clothes and I'm doing thing. So I'm outside a pin out in clothes right now. I not even know if I come back in, because I did go look, but it take me a while to try to cover up the camera and build up something here so that you know show and all sorts of shit. So yeah guys, so wish me luck.
Kim! What is this? Oh my god! Sir! Kim! Kim! Jesus Christ! Anything you ever want to know one day? Kim! Yeah! Kim on! Oh, I forgot my name, son. I called it. Where your phone? How are they, bro? wonder if I sitting there you catch him. Kim. That work. I got the no, yourself, Kim. Did I get it up? Are you good? Sanjeev! Sanjeev! See, look like you dropped down here, so. See me? See me? See if you're ready to get some, Sanjeev. Just now. See me?
Kim.
Listen, they say water good for you, not true?
Be careful how you do it, man, you're drowning.
Okay.
Kim, take time, don't try so. Try
Okay.
find this so it find him back more. Little bit.
Hey, touch it! Hey, touch it!
Kim! Please don't do that. Help me get wet up.
Why?
Kim, how you got to sleep?
I don't like DJ now.
You get a nice
Sanjeev! Sanjeev, good man! Watch over him. Me say, man a wash. You see him? Man a wash.
Let me finish your bucket.
You're too extra DJ.
She work his body for sure. She work his body for sure.
You don't.
I give some somebody else watching veranda, yeah, man. The rest of you good, man. You think I made that? Hey! Sanjeev,
Hey,
you
this
know?
busting, I want to go prank you, pull prank you. Move!
Hold on, I did ground. Kim.
In too much, man.
Oh,
Look
God.
how any man will be a DJ soak off whoever my clothes.
Nothing, you just change.
Sanjeev!
Not for yourself. You just change.
Sanjeev!
What? Eh?
Talk to you in. See my PM.
But
You
DJ,
get some soap water.
you never know say, hold on, you never know say a prank. You think it's real.
What? No. If I don't find in camera, I'm good, man.
You think it's real, man.
You a good
Move, man.
soap friend. Oh, listen. Sanjeev, give me a little bit of soap. Yeah, people. What like you can catch your boss. Watch my team DJ thing there. What like me go for some. Me buy soap on this man. Me go for some Fawangi friend. Watch ya. Guys, we know say you love this video, you know. Guess what? I love the video because I DJ at the star. See there? Go for look at soap powder and gear. Go for look at soap powder and gear. Might as well show your veranda. Mr. Friend, you want hey, almost catching but I show DJ man. Thank you.
What's it make me catch call DJ?
If you catch the call to wicked. So guys, if you love this video, subscribe, comment, do everything that is nice, do the right thing. Kim,
Move! You're too extra, man.
she is good. But she's not
What's
better
it
than
make me and
DJ.
jump and bust me head and then sitting there?
Yeah, I'm boss head and that is fed up with your big head. Come keep talk to your people.
I'll
Them.
be hearing wet up in a Miss Angie. I'll be here. Along in my ears, water gone. I tell you put the thinking shoes in a move, man. You're not even the plan to go be a date.
Talk to your people, them, Kim. Talk to
You
your
like
friend.
me now? It's too excessive, man. If my people say, Kim, me see camera make we done. You know? He
I
wet
would
me
know.
up.
Oh God, oh God, oh
Move,
God.
man. Me done. Me done.
You done?
Move. Sure.
Peace out.